Spain, nice to meet you. Thank you so much. Microrazon. Microrazon Amor. Thank you very much. Want to say something? Come here, please. No, just one question, please. Yeah, both of you. Come in, come. Together. Say hello to Malaysia, come on.
España, hola, ¿qué tal?
Hey. What's your name?
José.
Jose, and you? Eren. And both of you from Spain? French. French, merci beaucoup. Comment ça va? Nice to meet you. You're from Colombia. Alright, anyway, brother, just want to ask something. I want to learn something. Spain language. Thank you.
Gracias.
Gracias, thank you. How are you?
¿Cómo estás?
¿Cómo?
¿Cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás? Come on. Okay. I live in Malaysia and I love Malaysia.
Vivo en España y amo Malasia.
People amo Malaysia.
I love Malasia.
Love Malaysia. Alright. Come on guys, begin. Thank you so much. Have you been to Ireland? In Ireland, Perhentian Island, Langkawi, any place there?
Next to Langkawi.
Langkawi. Thank you very much. Nice to meet you. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you very much. Alright, Spain. Yeah, this guy from Spain. Any people from Arabic? Is it Arabic people? No Arabic people. Yalla, Saudi Arabia. تملي معه ولو حتى بعين عني في KFC. Dengar macam dahsyat. Al-Khurta. Alright. Okay. Saya nak bagi satu hadiah. Alright. Saya nak bagi satu hadiah. Siapa pakai kasut saiz 10.5? Siapa pakai kasut saiz 10? Abang ambil kasut main. Pak kasut. Hello brother, hello, welcome. Hello. Ya. Saya ada kasut di sini. Alright, we got shoes. Saiz 10.5. Aku beli tadi, tak boleh pakai. Siapa yang nak boleh ambil, boleh So kalau siapa ambil ni, pemberian pada saya. Bawa sentuhan. Ambil je. Boleh ya? Thank you so much. Nak pergi kat Abazar tak boleh pakai. From Indonesia. Come on. Ya, terus bersama dengan kita hari ini daripada Indonesia. Bang, kenapa duduk rapat? Oh, boy ya. Nak jojo sikit ya.
Lena tu kawan Lena dengan ni.